Okay, welcome back to another video by FoCo Web Design. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your connection to Quic.Cloud if it's not properly connecting. So, as you can see, the DNS status has failed here. It's not working, and it won't work, and it hasn't worked for a long time. So, to fix this, what you want to do is, it usually isn't working because you didn't put a www in front of your URL, or because the order of operations you did everything was just out of whack. So best is just start over and go to your summary, go to your CDN config, scroll down and just click disable it for now, and just start over, disable it, and we'll come back to the screen and enable it when we're ready. But for now, everything is disabled. And for this situation, I need to add the www in front of Pitbull Place, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to show you how to not freak out after your website has an SSL certificate error after changing the URL. So go back to your dashboard of the site you're working on and go to Settings and click General. And then go ahead and replace this. Make sure you put www dot in front of your both of these, your site address and your WordPress address. And then you're going to hit save, and it's going to ask you to relog in at this point because the name of the website has been updated basically. So you have to relog in. And now go to your LiteSpeed caching plugin and go to General. And then you're going to want to hit refresh domain key. Once you get here, and it'll take a few seconds to actually approve it. Maybe give it a minute, so I'll fast forward the video here. And really what you want to do is just refresh the page until it says approved right next to requested right here. So give it another try here. Alright, so you can see it said approved 8 seconds ago now as I refresh the page. So I'm good to go. You can go back to your CDN, your Quic.Cloud CDN account, and refresh the page and watch the URL change into www. This is what Quic.Cloud prefers and what LiteSpeed prefers when you're using Quic.Cloud to get the integration perfect. So you don't have to mess around with any of these settings. And now once you are refreshed, go back to your dashboard and go to your CDN and just make sure it's turned back on now at this point and push save. Then go to your Quic.Cloud account and make sure you turn it on as well, and click on I want to use the cname, confirm choice, and then copy this part of the code here, this cname, and you're going to want to replace this inside of your hosting account's cPanel zone records, which is right here. If you go to your hosting account, go to your cPanel area, you'll see a screen that looks very similar to this. You're going to scroll down to where it says domains and click on zone editor. There might be a different way of getting there depending on your host, but eventually you're going to want to get to the zone editor area and click on cname record, click on manage, and then cname record, and you can see I have one here already set up. If the name doesn't say the whole thing, if it just says www, just leave it alone. That's how your hosting provider prefers it. The only thing you want to change is the other field. Mine's called record, and I want to edit that and paste what was given to me by Quic.Cloud, which is the same thing. Save record. This is normally just the name of your domain, so it looks a little weird putting this here, but this is telling CDN what it refers to your IP address as inside of its system. And so when you save it here, the cname, you don't need to update your DNS settings to be able to use Quic.Cloud. You can just change your cname record and leave your servers alone, and it'll just know based on the change to your cname record that it wants to use the CDN. So you can press save records now and then go back to your CDN setup and push continue. And then you're going to want to go to your summary, or just go to refresh status. Go to summary, and you'll see that everything looks like it's still not working, but give it a good second. Go to DNS status, click refresh status, and it says right here it's going to try again in 1 minute. So again, wait a minute. I'm going to fast forward the video again. Okay, and then just refresh this again. You can see that it's now verified. So go to the summary, and the last thing to be done is the SSL certificate. and just give it 10 minutes. It's the easiest thing to do. That way you don't have to manually upload it each time. It'll generate it automatically on its system, and you are all good. So I hope this helped. If it did, then like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. God bless. Be well.